Hey, good morning, brothers and sisters. This is Kim Samples. I'm giving you an update on the fence that I've been working on. I've been kind of slowly but surely getting it done. I got the gate done now, so I wanted to just flip this around and take a look at the gate that I've finished up. This is the main gate, and it's a rolling gate, so I'll kind of come up here. You can kind of see some of the panels right here. I can't open it right now because I've got that already blocked off. But anyway, so I've done the upper part. Put my Cocker Spaniels on the top there. I'm still working. There's a lot of welding on this thing. This has turned out to be a lot more welding than I anticipated, but that's okay. Just keep working on it and get it done. So I've got this is all the pieces that are in place, the brackets and all that to hold the panels. There's the main gate over there. It's a rolling gate, and coming this way, still working on these. Each one of these panels is 12 foot wide, so it's I think I figured out there's like over 200 welds in each 12 foot panel that has to be completed to get to the next step. So anyway, this is kind of where I'm at now. I put reinforcing poles in the ground here so nobody comes around this alleyway and hits my fence. So these are concreted 4x4 posts. So I've kind of made it to where if they do come around, they're going to hit the post first. And this all started out with somebody coming around the corner and knocking down my chain link fence, and that's what caused this whole fence idea to come about. And so anyway, it's takes about 2 to maybe 3 days to complete each panel in the welding if you're working 6, 7, 8 hours a day, depending on how hot it is. It's been so hot here in the Dallas area, and but anyway, that's the fence update. Still have about I think about a little more than 12, maybe 10 to 12 foot panels still to weld up and finish up. So I'm trying to get it done as quick as I can so I can get to the next step, which is going to be to sandblast everything and then come back and paint everything black, and then we'll start putting the painted panels on, the Hardy Boys siding panels. So it's looking pretty interesting now, getting a little more look to it. A lot of details. Here's the main gate. Looks pretty nice. So anyway, have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus, and I'll give you an update here as soon as I get a little bit farther down the road.